So if you guys haven't heard, the air quality in New York City has been really bad again. Got hit a couple of weeks ago, and yesterday the air was like kind of bad again. It was looking hazy outside, but I think it's looking a little bit better today, thankfully. I'm about to head out now to actually go get my hair done. I'm gonna be trying out Harueh, which is a very well-known Korean hair salon near Cape Town. I haven't done my hair in forever. It's so long and it feels so heavy. I think it's been almost a year. I'm gonna do a color refresh today. I'm thinking of doing natural black, which is basically my hair right now. And I'm also gonna cut off a chunk of hair and add some layers. Wow, the streets are so empty right now. It's Saturday morning in New York City. Everyone's sleeping in. I just got home and I love how my hair came out. I added a ton of layers and my hair just feels so light. If you guys are wondering, the style of cut that I did is called the slick cut. It's been trending in Korea for a while, but it's basically a very heavily layered style and it looks really good when you do that wet hair look. So I'm excited to start styling my new haircut. I am literally starving right now because I haven't eaten anything all day. So I definitely need to make myself some coffee and I might just make a simple ham and cheese sandwich. Having my first meal of the day. Drink some coffee first. I used to eat my ham and cheese sandwiches like this all the time when I was a kid, and I use that same exact machine too. I think after like a couple of years my mom threw away the old one because it was just getting kind of dirty and gross, so I had to find that one on Amazon. It's also very inexpensive. I think that sandwich maker is like less than 20 bucks, but it's really simple. You just close it. There's only two functions, on and off. It makes great sandwiches. Hello guys, I am off to have a little solo date today. Sung was busy, so I decided to just roam around the city by myself. It's too beautiful out to be stuck at home, so I think I'm gonna head to Chinatown because I've been craving xi'an famous foods for the longest time. So I'm gonna eat some noodles, maybe shop around for a bit, and I also have to do some groceries.
In a room full of dimes, you would be $100 if being fine was a crime. Boy, they're looking fine. you do. Ooh, it's like you do it for a living. Do a little spin, do it again. Shit, look like you're playing for the win. Oh, baby, I'm tryna roll, I'm tryna ride, I'm tryna float, I'm tryna glide. No, no, don't be shy, just take my hand and hold on tight. Ooh, skate to me, baby. Skate, slide your way on over. Slide your way over.
That was so freaking delicious. I only ate half the noodles, half the burger, and I'm taking the rest to go because there's no way I can finish that, but it definitely hit the spot. Now I'm on my way to get some coffee. I actually wanted to check out the Canal Street Market because I've been kind of in a matcha craze and I want to get my own matcha bowl and the whole set. So I want to see if they have anything before I buy it online.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Just take it day by day. Ooh,
So no success on finding my matcha wear, but I did find these cute little gold earrings. I just wore them out and I love how it looks. Because I was so close to Soho, I'm just gonna walk to Byretto because I wanted another perfume from there, but I was holding back because they're so expensive. But I think it's time. I get it. I also wanted to stop by Aesop and get like a hair polish gel because I heard that gives like a nice wet hair look. So that's where we're heading right now. It is so unbelievably hot today. I'm sweating.
these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love it. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me say the word.
Oh my goodness, guys. I feel so defeated. It just started raining out of nowhere and it wasn't even like a light drizzle. It was raining cats and dogs. So after Hmart, I had like 2 big bags of groceries and I had my other shopping bags from Soho and I was just like, what do I do now? Thankfully, I was able to get an Uber really fast, so just hopped right on and came straight home. But before I jump in the shower, I wanted to share what I got today. So from Aesop, I got the Sculpt hair polish. It has a glossy finish suited to wet look styling, which was what I was going for. So just gonna test it out to see how I like it. It also smells really good, like the signature Aesop scent. And then from Byretto, I got the Blanche hair perfume. So I already own this La Tulipe perfume and I wanted to pair it with a different scent for my hair, and I feel like this is a really nice fresh scent that just kind of smells like fresh laundry. Since I normally sweat a lot during the summertime, I just want to make sure I smell good, so I'm just gonna test out this hair perfume. I love how Byredo also gives you 3 samples with your purchase, so I usually carry this around my bag and just refresh throughout the day. And from Diptyque, I got a new perfume. So I was actually gonna get the Ball de Freak scent from Byredo, but of course they didn't have it in stock. So I ended up just getting this one from Diptyque. It's called Velocicus. I think that's how you say it, but it's a very woody and fresh scent. I don't own anything like it. And they also gave me a little travel spray of another scent that I really liked. This one is called Orpheon. So that was my little haul of the day. Unfortunately, my solo date had to end with pouring rain, but it's all good. I'm just glad that I was able to be productive today and just spend time in the city by myself. Now I'm just gonna hop in the shower because I was sweating all day and I desperately need one. So I'll catch you guys later.